do this oil change, you need to jack the car up or use a lift. Then locate the drain plug. It's a 17mm drain plug under the car. If you have a new crush washer, go ahead and change it. Alright, so always remember to tighten your drain plug. Don't over tighten it. You should use a torque wrench, but if not, then ensure it's tight and it doesn't fall out. So after you complete draining the oil, you can go ahead now and remove the filter. On most BMWs, the oil filter is on the top, and in this case, the oil filter is to the right side, the driver's side of the engine, towards the firewall. So you need a 32mm socket. You can use a 3/8 socket with an extension and a 3/8 ratchet to remove the oil filter cap, and it's right there in that tight spot. So all right, no problem. Yeah. And this oil filter is very delicate, so you have to be careful with it. The oil filter cap, that is, because it's plastic, so don't force it to open it and don't force it to tighten it. Alright, so you're going to remove the O-ring. You can use a pick tool, or if you have a small screwdriver, you can use it to remove the O-ring. So once you get your new O-ring now, you're going to get some oil and lubricate the O-ring, so when you're about to replace it, when you're about to reinstall the new oil filter, the O-ring doesn't tear and cause any leaks. So here's the new filter. Put the O-ring on the oil filter cap, add the new filter, and then reinstall it in the same way that, or in the reverse position of how you remove the oil filter. This oil filter cap, it takes, to tighten it, the torque is 28 Newton meters, and that's not too tight. I've done several cars, so I know exactly what you would feel when it's tight enough. Alright, so if you have brake cleaner, you can go ahead and clean up the oil filter cap, so that when you add your oil and start the vehicle, you can come back and check to ensure that no oil is leaking out that oil filter cap. And this car application takes 6.9 quarts of 0W20 according to the owner's manual. So 6.9 quarts, you add that, reinstall your oil filler cap, then you go ahead and start the vehicle and check for leaks, then reset the the maintenance light on the dashboard, and then that's it. It's a simple job just to change the oil and the filter in a BMW.